The overarching theme for all of the young designers was feel-good gardens. So the way we've sort of done that is created a design which I feel is quite aesthetically pleasing, yet also has a great deal of wildlife benefit to it. So we've got the insect hotels, which provide not only homes for insects but also bees and things like that. A lot of our planting is tailored around different insects and birds, bees and butterflies and things like that. So the idea behind sort of the sunken seating area was to just give the clients for the garden a bit more of a enclosed sort of feel to the space around their sort of urban location. A couple of the features that I think visitors might be able to take home with them are the insect hotels. They're extremely easy to build, yet very effective. Also, when sort of thinking about your planting, it might be quite easy just to go for a large structural plant, but instead you could look at going with some colour to attract sort of wildlife into your garden. I'm really pleased with how it's all gone. Yeah, I'm thrilled with the garden. It's a garden that I've wanted to see come to life for a while, and really happy with it.